In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the maximum number of attempts reached on TikTok. So the first thing I would like to do is actually to go to your settings, and then you want to go to the Wi-Fi settings. And if you have the option of change to a different network, I would do that, and then I would try again. If you don't have the option of connecting to a different network, I would actually try to if you are on Android, you want to go to the settings, and then you want to go to TikTok, and then you want to clear the cache. If you are on an iPhone, you can just long hold the app, and then you want to tap remove app, and then you want to tap delete app, and then you want to go to the App Store, and you want to search for TikTok, and you want to install it again. And from there you have cleared the cache on iPhone as well. The last step you actually can do if clearing the cache is not working, you can actually go to the App Store or Play Store and search for VPN. And here you have some free ones, and you have some paid ones. I would probably just try a free one, and then download it and follow the instructions, and then connect to a different server, and I would try to connect to TikTok again. And by following one of these 3 steps, you should actually be able to connect to your TikTok account again. So this is how to fix maximum number of attempts reached on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.